Sekusikhathi sendaba zesiNdebele sikubikela zona bunqopha ukusuka emzimkhulu we-SABC Auckland Park eJohannesburg. Nanzi ezijujileko.
Mr. Ramaphosa's speech was filled with promises eerily similar to those made in 2024-2023.
Year in, year out, Mr. Ramaphosa comes here and make promises without accounting for the promises he made the previous year.
Kulindeleke ukuthi uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa aphendule imibuzo yamalunga weParliament kusasa ngenkulumo-mpikiswano yenkulumo yakhe yobunjalo benarha. Inhlangano eziphikisako zithi azineliseki ngenkulumo yakhe.
Summit called for the immediate dispatch of ministers of defense, chiefs of defense, and facilitate immediate repatriation of the deceased troops and those who are injured.
Imndeni yamajoni ali-14 abhubhele elizweni le-DRC ayokwamukela indumbu zawo kusasa edolweni lemphaphamtshini lamajoni eCenturion. Uhulumende uthi uzowabeka ngehlonipho.
Angifuni next ngokuya ngami thane iqala leli if kuyakhonakala balisuse la ngisalifuna esiyabo sakho siyabo ukuthi ingathi linezandla eziningi ezingenelele ecaleni lomntwanami.
Unina lomntwana ukhahlunyezwe ngokomseme uthi nanje akakhona ukuzwisisa ukuthi umsola kuba yini alimaze umntazinyana wakhe kangaka wonene ephasini. Sanamukele endabeni zesiNdebele lapha kwe-SABC 1 akwande mzumkhulu. Sihlabene ngamagama inhlangano zepolitiki eParliament njengoba nabe kraga inkulumo-mpikiswano malungana nenkulumo kaMengameli yobunjalo belizwe. Ezinye inhlangano zithi inkulumo kaMengameli sekuyinkulumo nje ngombana uMengameli kufanele ethule inkulumo yobunjalo belizwe. Kubuyelelwa inthembiso ezenziwe eminyakeni edlulileko kodwana aziphumeleliswa.
Iyaraga inkulumo-mpikiswano malungana nenkulumo kaMengameli yobunjalo belizwe. Inhlangano zepolitiki ziveza amazizwe ahlukahlukeneko ngenkulumo kaMengameli. uCameron Darkmore we-ANC uthi bayawasekela wonke amahlelo wombuso wokubusa ngokuhlanganyela okuhloswe ngawo ukuthuthukisa umnotho welizwe.
President, you have called on us to focus on fixing local government. Building a capable and ethical state is critical to growing our economy at 3%, creating jobs and lowering the cost of living.
IDA ithi izoqalelela ukulethela amaSouth African siza ekuyinto amaSouth Africa ehlokako. Ilunga leParliament le-DA uDan McPherson uveza umsebenzi owenziwe iDA solo yaba ingcenye yeGNU. uMcPherson ithi iDA ayizukubekezelela ubukirikitshani begodu siyaphela isikhathi seniqhema zamamafiya.
In Tshwane, we have handed over a state-owned land to community projects in Mamelodi after years of delay, which demonstrates our commitment to community development. We are taking decisive action against corruption and mismanagement.
Unhlamulo Ndlela okhulumela iMK Party uthi inkulumo kaMengameli ibuyelela inthembiso ezenziwe eminyakeni edlulileko. Uthi kunokuthi ubujamo beSouth Africa bengcono buragela phambili lokubabumbi. Ungezelelwe ngokuthi ukubhubha kwamajoni weSouth Africa eDRC kubangelwe nguhulumende oqalelela imfuno zawo kwaphela.
Mr. Ramaphosa's speech was filled with promises eerily similar to those made in 2024-2023 and even earlier. Let us not be fooled by his eloquence. South Africans deserve more, Mr. President, than promises.
I-EFF ihlabe kumbi inkulumo kaMengameli ithi qobe uMengameli nakethula inkulumo yakhe yobunjalo belizwe abantu abaningi balahlekelwa umsebenzi.
House Chair, year in, year out, Mr. Ramaphosa comes here and make promises without accounting for the promises he made the previous year. It's as if he's permanently on a reset button. And the sad thing is, every time he opens his mouth, more and more people become statistics of unemployment, of poverty, of rape and murder.
Umholi we-ACDP umfundisi Kenneth Mesho uthi kuzwisa ubuhlungu ukuthi kunamaSouth Africa ahlezi ekhaya neziqu zobudorhotere.
The most painful thing for me to watch, Mr. President, is when our health workers, particularly medical doctors, toying with their stethoscopes hanging around their necks, protesting because they are demanding jobs that they studied for and are qualified for.
Isalga ibuza ukuthi intengo yegezi ekhutshulilwe kule namanzi zizokubhadelwa ngibani ngoba namakhaya amaningi abaholi imali yaneleko.
The NERSA approved 12.7% on electricity. The Water Board have approved or intend to approve 15 to 16% increase. This is the 30%. Who's going to pay this 30% is the household.
Umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa kulindeleke ukuthi yaphendula inkulumophikiswano le kusasa. Uhulumende weSouth Africa ufungile bona amajoni wekhethu aphal 14 abhubhele ePumalanga yeDemocratic Republic of Congo azokubekwa ngehlonipho nangesithunzi. Imndeni yamajoni la izokufumana indumbu zabo etonyoleni lemphaphamtshini lamajoni eSwartkop eCenturion kusasa. Kanti kuzokubanjwa nekonzo yesikhumbuzo yokuhlonipha igalelo ababinalo. Umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa umemezele amalanga alikhomba okuzila bewathi imflaha zelizwe ziphaphiselwe phasi.
Summit called for the immediate dispatch of ministers of defense, chiefs of defense, and troop contributing countries to DRC to ensure the summit DRC troops are safe and facilitate immediate repatriation of the deceased troops and those who are injured.
Ihlelo lokubuyisa kwendumbu zamajoni ekhethu apha abhubhele ePumalanga eDRC libe buhlungu belizele nangokuriyata. Nanyana kunjalo bekulihlelo lobudisi njengomana bekufanele kuthome ukuhlola indumbu. ISouth Africa iyingcenye yeSADC mission, iSummit DRC kunye no-UN mission iMONUSCO yokubuyisela ebujameni ingcenye yeCongo enezinjiwe eziningi khathesi engakanzinzi.
Summit DRC, comprising soldiers from Malawi, South Africa and Tanzania, was deployed in December 2023 to the eastern part of the DRC. Their main operating base was established in Sake, near the city of Goma, an area plagued by violence and instability for many years. The primary threat in this area comes from the rebel group that is alleged to be armed, supported, trained and accompanied by the Rwandan Defense Force.
Imbizo yabaholi beSADC East African Community ikhombela ukuthula ePumalanga yeDRC nokuthi kuhlale phasi kukhulunyiswane.
The time for action is now. The lives of millions depends on our ability to navigate this complex and challenging situation with wisdom, clarity of mind, empathy for the millions whose lives and livelihoods have been plunged into uncertainty.
Imphathimandla zaseSouth Africa bezisebenzisana nehlangano yentsha ezibumbeneko ekambisweni yokubuyisa kwendumbu zamajoni wekhethu. Lesi sikhathi esibuhlungu emndenini ebhujelweko ngombana bafuna ukubeka amalungu emndeni abo ngokuthula.
Benhliziyo ezibuthakathaka bangatshita ngoba indaba le imumethe indaba ezilumelako. Izakhamuzi zesiyabuswa zisilengeke ziqeda ichukela zifuna amapholisa abophe umnikazi wesitolo ekuthiwa ukhahlumeze ngokomseme umntazinyana oneminyaka emithathu ubudala. Kanuni nalomntwana lokuthi umntazinyana wakhe usenhlungwini. Umphakathi wona uthi awusawathemba amapholisa ngendlela angathatha amagadango ngakhona kuleli cala. Kwenye nokubhalela ukwenza umsebenzi wawo umphakathi nawunendlilo. Umbikindaba wethu uNonhlanhla Ntshingila kwenye noSokhemera uThabo Mthweni basihlanganisele nakumbiko.
Unina lomntwana uthi akakhona ukujamelana nokucabanga ngobuhlungu umntazinyana wakhe oneminyaka emithathu aqalene nabo ngesehlakalo esihlahlathisa umzimba esenzeke kuye okumphula umoya okudlula ukuthi umsolo uvume umlando phambi kwakhe ukuthi mbala umlimazile umntazinyana wakhe.
Athi I'm sorry mama, it was a mistake. Ngithi how a mistake ngewami umntwana. Athi I'm always washing, I'm always, it was a mistake.
Okhunye ukuqeda uma lo mntazinyana lo amandla khulu kungendlela amapholisa wesiyabuso aphethe icala leli. Uma lo uthi nanyana ayenzile yonke ikambiso nembiko yabodokotela ngefanelo kodwana akhange athole ichejo elaneleko nephenyo elifaneleko emapholiseni wesiyabuso. Ngalokho ke ubawabona icala lidlulisele kwenye ipolice stage.
Angifuni next ngokuya ngami thane iqala leli if kuyakhonakala balisuse la ngisalifuna esiyabu sakho siyabo ukuthi ngathi linezandla eziningi ezingenelele ecaleni lomntwana nami balisuse la ngazi lingaya kuphi but esiyabusa police station bengasalifuni ukuthi liyesiyabusa court mina.
Izakhamuzi zesiyabuso ezisilingekileko zifuna ubulungiswa kanti zibawa amapholisa ukuthi abophe begodu ashutshise laba abathindekako ezenzweni zobulelesi begodu bakandelela ukuthi umphakathi abantwana nabantu bengubo sebahlalela evalweni ngombana bangakaphephi.
Nasivelela zinkinga ezifana nalezi siza laba senze indlayela bathatha umuntu onganayo citizenship bamkhiphele ngaphandle orape umntwana we3 years esikubawako nje ukuthi amapholisa akabereke abuyise umsolwa and as-update ngayo yonke into yenzakalayo namzukwana bamthethe bamfakile ngapha sibawa ukuthi basazise.
Kuyiwe bafika lapha kwathiwa ungathi abathi abana evidence enough so abakamcharge umkhalilo.
Into leyo isilimaze khulu njengoba siboma bomphakathi wesiyabuswa ngoba akunamuntu owesifazana odeserve ukudlunguliwa especially nakumntwana omncane. Ibhlungu kukuwe umdala imagine sele kumntwana omncane.
Ugcina uthatha igadango elingakafaneli ngoba lapha othembele khona badla imali amadoketa ayathengwa umntwana mthathe njengomntwana akanaqala.
Nakusenjalo iphiko lezokuchuchiswa komphakathi leMpumalanga kunye namaphoyisa weMpumalanga babhalile ukuphefumula ngendaba le bathi ngombana iphenyo liyaraga. Nanyana kunjalo icaleli lidluliselwe kumnqophisi wezokuchuchiswa komphakathi ukuthi liqalisiswe bekuthathwe nesiqundo. Ngingunonhlanhla njengela wendaba ze-SABC esiyabuswa eMpumalanga.
Nasibuya entolo.
Amafriji aphuma amanzi yaza sazi ukuthi senzeni isikhambela kakhulu igezi khamba ngo7 ebusuku yobuya ngo9 ikhambe ngo5 ekseni yobuya ngo7 abantwana basakhona ukwenza ama homework.
Abahlali bemandlethu kunye nendaweni eziseduze bathi kwanele kanje ngokuqindelisa kwegezi bayonakalelwa. Mukele sekhona indaba zesiNdebele lapha kanti nazi kuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asirage nazo. Izakhamuzi ezisilingekileko zemandlethu beyaziwa ngeVlakvlakte number 1 eMpumalanga zingenele umchakalo zilila ngokuqindelisa kwegezi okwenzeke kumasipalata weThembisile Hani neDr JS Morocco eMpumalanga kunye neElias Motswaledi eLimpopo. Izakhamuzi zithi ikhampani ephakela igezi elizweni iEskom ayibathathele ehloko. Igezi le siqiniliswa mlibe begodu lokho kujamisa yonke into kanti bathi bonakalelwa nakukudla nepahla ngekhaya esebenza ngegezi. Kanombike indaba wethu Comfort Masombuka usihlanganisele nako umbiko.
Izakhamuzi zemandlethu ezisilingeke eziqeda ishukela zingenele umchakalo zavala indlela ngamatshe namatayera avuthako. Zithi zikholekile ngokuqindeliswa kwegezi eqindeliselwa futhi ngombana nama-iri ecinywa ngawo la aphazamisa abafundi. Izakhamuzi zilila nangokonakalelwa kudla bathu Eskom uthi batsho baqindelisa igezi ngenxa yokuthi batsho bayisebenzisa ngobukirikitshane ikibe bona bayithenga igezi.
Khamba ngo7 ebusuku yobuya ngo9 ikhambe ngo5 ekseni yobuya ngo7 abantwana basakhona ukwenza ama homework.
Asimele igezi namanzi asinawo amanzi asiyathola amanzi abathi bavula amanzi aphuma ngo1 ebusuku silele amanzi akhona athi aphuma ngo1 ebusuku aphuma kancane kugcwala ibhakede 1 amanzi sebavalele.
Amafriji aphuma amanzi yaza sazi ukuthi senzeni isikhambela kakhulu igezi and uEskom nasiya kuye siyobatshela kaEskom ema-ofisini batshela ukuthi basho inumber 1 ibreach ekhulu. Into engicaka ngoEskom uyabona musi lapha ku computer umuntu ongathengi igezi.
Bakwamasipalata weThembisile Hani bathi bayazi ngomraro wegezi lo begodwa ke baxoxa nebakwaEskom ngawo.
Ebachazileko abantu beEskom nabapresentako ukuthi bereka kanjani ukuthi sikuphi siyithembisile bakhonile ukuchaza ukuthi kuna 94 yama-feeders ngeMpumalanga la abanjwa i-load reduction ngethembisile sena 5 yama-feeder. So of the 5 yama-feeder bakhona ukuthi basikhiphele i3 ama-feeder lawo i3 azoku-affecta indawo yaseverina yabo King Magodongo ungale ngeVolvenkoop abolangixufu iphinde ibuye ngekwaGafontein ngale ngeMadi nangakibo Freeze. Ama-line lawo akwazi ukuthi aperforme kuhle amithe ama-requirements ukuthi akhona ukuthi aphume ku-load reduction esikhathini sanje. La kusasenenkinga khona yokuthi asimithe ama-requirements kusasene-demand high versus i-supply kungale nge-Vlakgagte number 1 nendawo esingale ngebhomando.
Bakwa-Eskom baba umphakathi bona usebenzisa igezi ngokuyibabalela, bakhalima nezenzo zokusebenzisa igezi ngobukirikitshani. Amapholisa akhonile ukulawula ubujamo. Amanye amalunga omphakathi ayafunga athi asazokuragela phambili nomtshakalo bekulalelwa inlilo zawo. Endabeni ze-SABC nginguComfort Masombuka ngiphakela zona ngise-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Amalunga wehlangano yabodohotera i-South African Medical Association Trade Union iSAMATU eLimpopo angenele ijima lokuchakala bathinga ema-ofisini womnyango wezempilo wayokunikela incwadi yenlilo zawo. Abodohotere kunye nabafundi ababandulelwe imfundo zobudohotere abangaphasi kwehlangano iSAMATU bafuna ukuthi abodohotere abali-150 baqatshwe. Kanti abanye abodohotere abangasebenziko laba bafundiswe emnyango lo ukufumana iziqu zabo.
Bathathwa njengabasebenzi abaqhakathekileko. Amalunga weSAMATU angene indlela achagala. Bafuna ukuqatshwa abodohotera abangasebenziko msinyazana kunye nabasebenzi bezempilo. Umchagalo lo ubandakanya abafundi ababandulela imfundo zobudohotera eUniversity yeLimpopo. Kanti abachagalaba bavale indlela ingene emnyangweni lo kwesikhatshana ukuthi bethule incwadi yenlilo zabo.
Department ihire di-doctor. Are ba hire di-doctor tsa go tswa ntle or somewhere else. Re aba hire di-doctor tse ba di tsentshitse sekolo. Bursary program yela e butse ka baka la gore ba bona gore o na le bothata mo Limpopo, a gona di-doctor tsa enough.
Omunye udohotera ongasebenziko uthi urhulumende ubhalele ukubasiza.
Our leaders have failed us. They've taken us to school, promised the community healthcare, promised the community that there will be doctors to serve them. And at the very first opportunity to disappoint, they do so. We're here to say we're fighting for our people. We need our leaders to do the right thing.
Umnyango wezempilo uthi zikhona inkhala ezivulekileko kanti sele bakhangisile ukuthi bafuna abodohotere.
Lona jwale re advertise di-post tsa go lekana 54 tsa dingaka tse leng gore ge ke bolelela gona jwale o busy go kgatlampana ba dira di-shortlisting.
Abachagalaba bathusele ngokujamisa umsebenzi nangenlilo zabo zingalalelwa.
Sibuze ngale ndaba eqeda ukudlula ekhasini lethu le-Facebook. Nakumbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
Uhulumende akakhe izibhedlela zibe ziningi so that abodokotela bazokwazi ukuthola umsebenzi. Kunezindawo emaphandleni la abantu bayahamba ama-distance ukuze bayothola impilo. Nabo Kirano Hospital abodokotela bayabalwa bancane.
Nabo odokotela msasazi mabangakhethi indawo ezidorophini, mabasebenze napha ezilalini emakhaya zikhona ikliniki phana esibhedlela.
Khona kubuhlungu ukuthi umuntu ethe efundile umsebenzi futhi engabe uyawuthola umsebenzi manje akasawuthola umsebenzi. Kumanje nje baningi abantwana abafundela ukuba odokotela kusho ukuthi nabo basazohlala njengalaba.
Kuzofanele baqashwe ngokusemthethweni uma bebuye ezikhungweni zemfundo ephakeme basebenze babuyisele emphakathini bathole nesipiliyoni.
Odokotela bamusa ukukhetha imisebenzi ukuthi ufuna basebenzelephi nalaphi bangasebenzela khona. Kuseyindawo zonke zifuna odokotela. Yahlupheka la emakhaya odokotela bekho.
Kanti umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizokuthosa umlando ukuziphendulela ngokubona umbukeli. Kezemali iranta liyabogaboga nalinganisa nezinye imali ezikulu. Iproteas ibeke imgijimo e-352 nayibethako kanti kodwa ibonakala iwulawula umdlalo we-ODI njengoba nase kubetha iPakistan ephaliswaneni le-Tri Nation ePakistan.
kuyashisa ekhaya napho ubujamo bezulu sibona lapha amathutshana we-30% ngale-ke ngeKapa lodumo nawuthi uyacala-ke ngapha kuthinteke lapha-ke isifunda sangale ngePumalanga Kapa i-Northern Cape kanti-ke nezinye indawo lapha eBloemfontein nge-60% mathuba wezulu layo nawuthi uyacala-ke endaweni zangale boPitori eMpumalanga nakezinye silithola lapha-ke nge-30% nakhona nasithi siyacala-ke kusasa sibona lapha-ke kunekungu endaweni zangale ngeMpumalanga tsheja uyelele nawutshayelako amathuba wezulu athi ukuba yi-60% khulukhulu-ke ngale ngendaweni zangakubo Freystata lapha-ke lisatholakala nge-30% eligwini elingesewula sithole lapha-ke inlemukiso zemoya ekhona lapha-ke e-Northern Cape ebanga ukuthi-ke ngaba nekhonakalo yomlilo wamahlathi njengoba ubona nje ngale nge-Northern Cape kanti-ke nasicalako ngapha imijijo iduma kumbi khulukhulu-ke ngale nge-KZN siyakusuduka ukwazi ukuthi ubone-ke amazinga wokuchisa sibona lapha-ke ngobusuku obupheze iSouth Africa yonke ithi ukuphola lapha-ke eSutherland kumakhaza-ke khona nge-13 kuthi-ke eDurban nge-22 kupholile eJohannesburg nge-16 ePitori nge-17 degrees Celsius kusasa kubonakala-ke endaweni ezinye kuyachisa-ke ezinye-ke kufuthumele i-Uppington nge-37 iyachisa sibona lapha eCalvinia ifuthumele nge-29 neSpringbok ifuthumele nge-28 iPitori nge-28 ngemva kwamadina kuthi lapha-ke iJohannesburg yona-ke nge-27 iRichards Bay nayo-ke ifuthumele nakezinye indawo eSouth Africa sibona negodi ngesikhathi esilandelako dido